Okay, you are here. The question is, which way do we go to go up from here? Oh, nope, not that way. And oops, not that one either. If that's what investing has felt like to you this year, it may make you feel a lot better or maybe a lot worse that very smart people who manage a lot more money than most of us do always disagree on what is best to invest in going forward. But they have some very educated guesses, and occasionally they share those with Barron's, as they recently did once again for that publication's latest Big Money poll. For starters, almost 3/4 of the 107 respondents boasted that their personal picks and their professional investments have done better this year than the stock market overall, so some credibility there. Where do they put their money now is the question. The biggest group, 42% of them, still think that stocks are the best bet. These sectors were their top choices when they were surveyed on which kinds of investments they favor the most going forward. But the Brain Trust was asked if the current bear market had hit its lowest point, and a huge percentage of them said no. That said, when they were asked if they were neutral or bearish, which is pessimistic, or bullish, which is optimistic about the market in the next 12 months, the largest percentage of them expect positive things for the three big stock market indices that you always hear about. Each one just tracks a different combination of stocks. Now, using last month as the starting point, the bulls predict that by the end of next year, the Dow Jones Index will rise 19%, the S&P 500 will gain 22%, and the NASDAQ will rocket 30% higher. The bears expect all three indices to be down slightly or to stay about the same by the end of 2023, and that is significant. Even the pessimists who are managing tons of money are suggesting here that some of the worst pain in the markets may be behind us now. Now, especially, they say, if you are a long-term investor and you don't need to get your hands on that money right away. The article concludes that quality stocks are pretty cheap right now, and that if you don't need your invested money for well beyond a year, they say the current environment looks to be a gift. We will see as we slowly unwrap it over the next year or longer. Stay with me at Jason Wheeler TV on Facebook and Twitter to stay right on the money.